What's happening, guys? Chris, Safety Liner C2 here. So, today, there's a bus I want to show you, and I am super excited to show you this one today, because this is something you guys have never seen on my channel, and you do not see a lot of these buses anymore. There's a few of them out there, and they were only run for maybe like 2 years. But here, this bus here, this is a 2007 Blue-Bird SBCV. I have been a huge fan of these buses. To see this international chassis, like you see on the CE here, like you see it on a Blue-Bird body, right? How freaking cool is that? That's why I'm super excited to review this bus for you guys today. This is probably one of my favorite buses ever made. I would definitely love to get my hands on one of these if I ever see one in person, because I've always been a huge fan of these. But we'll go ahead and give you the specs of it real quick. But under the hood, she's got a 7.6 liter DT466E with an Allison 2000 series transmission. But she's a single stop sign. Now, there is no lettering on this bus because this is not a licensed school bus in the district. But I just figured I'd show it for you guys today. But here you've got your standard 11R 22-inch tires. Dualies in the back, of course, because you guys know how the school bus works. On the back here, we've got LED, everything on this bus. Everything's LED. But you've got arrow turn signals on this bus. I think they did a really good job with this mod. But you've got, as far as you can see, you've got green seats in there. But this exhaust here is a little strange. But other than that, I have no complaints with this bus at all. I have been a huge fan of these, like I've said, because you do not see these buses at all anymore. But I'll get you a full comparison next to the CE here. But do you guys see this? Like, what do you guys think of this overall? I like CEs no matter what, but to see this specific chassis put on a Blue-Bird body, I don't think it can get much better than that, in my opinion. That's why I've been a huge fan of these buses. You know, they only ran them for a few years, but there's green seats, like I said. But just look at this, guys. Such an amazing bus right here. I am super excited to show this bus off to you guys. Honestly, what is y'all's overall opinion on this bus? Let me know in the comments down below. But anyway, we'll start her up here for you. That's the DT466E under there, 7.6 liter. I wish I could open the hood and show you guys, but this is just, oh my wow. I am absolutely amazed of this bus. I am just a huge fan of this bus, a lot, and I'll give you guys a little drive on it. I seriously love the growling on this DT466E. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I know it's not a very long video, but there is just not as much to say, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll post some pictures for you guys comparing these two buses together, because I think they look very well together. Like I said, you do not see SBCVs often, ever, because they only ran them for about 2 years, but what do you guys think of this comparison? From this ICCE here, from this point on, I think, in my opinion, seeing this chassis on a Blue-Bird is so unique. I really like it a lot. Like, a lot of people in the school bus community will agree that I think seeing a Blue-Bird with that chassis is unique. Like, one of the most unique combos that you would ever see. But let me know what you guys think of the SBCV in the comments. I think these two look very well together. I'll do a little side-by-side comparison for you guys as well. But if you can tell, I don't know if you can, but the SBCV does sit up a little higher, which is strange. I mean, the fact that this is the exact same chassis that the CE has, it's just the CE isn't just as, it's just not as big of a bus. But I'm just so in love with this comparison here. You cannot get any better than that. I just don't think, in my opinion. Such a good combo of buses. But like I said, I'll post some pictures for you guys in the community, but let me know what you guys think in the comments, and thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to other school bus channels. Watch out for future school bus content, and I'll catch you guys later. Thank you so much for watching.